Welcome to this instructional video on selecting, installing, and replacing a desktop motherboard. This process is crucial for building or upgrading a computer and will guide you through each step to ensure success. When selecting a motherboard, ensure compatibility with your CPU socket type, RAM, and expansion slots. It's essential to choose a form factor like ATX or micro ATX that meets your needs and offers sufficient ports and features. Before installation, gather tools such as a screwdriver, thermal paste, and an anti-static wristband. Disconnect power and peripherals to prevent damage and ensure a safe working environment. To remove the old motherboard, unscrew and carefully detach it, noting cable and component connections. Disconnect power supply cables, storage drives, and peripherals to prepare for the new installation. Install the new motherboard by aligning it with standoffs and securing it with screws. Attach the CPU, RAM, and expansion cards, ensuring each component is properly seated for optimal performance. Connect power supply cables to the motherboard, ensuring the 24-pin main power and CPU power are secure. Attach cables for front panel connectors, USB ports, and audio jacks to complete the setup. Power on the system to test the installation. Check the BIOS/UEFI screen for hardware recognition and system stability, ensuring all components function correctly for a reliable setup. In conclusion, selecting, installing, and replacing a motherboard requires careful planning and attention to detail. Following these steps ensures your system runs efficiently and reliably. Thank you for watching.